How to set up Google Authenticator for Instagram. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna tap on the three lines in the top right. Then we're gonna go to the Accounts Center. And then go to Password and Security. From here, go to the two-factor authentication, the second one. Choose the account that you want to authorize. And then make sure that you choose Authentication app. So let's go next. Now copy this key. Then go back and then open up Google Authenticator. Here you go, Authenticator. Now let's tap the plus button. Enter a setup key, account name, your key, and then tap add. So now you have it right here. So let's go enter code 747-747-191. Then done. And there you go, the authentication app is on now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.